In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro templates. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and sign up for an account on Miro. Then head over and then search right here for Miro.com. Input right here your work email, or you can also use your Gmail into this case. After that, click onto this sign up free in order to sign up for an account. So since I already have an account, let me head over and then click onto this login option. Now here is my actual dashboard. So what we can do is we can head over and then try to use templates that we have available. So in order to find those templates, you can click on this from Miroverse option or click on this explore option that we can see right here. From in there, you can explore specific things such as templates, blueprints, and the likes from Miro. So let's head over and go to the from Miroverse, and in here you can just search for particular template that you wish to utilize. For example, right here, let's search in here for a particular template about greenery or about plants. After that, they should be able to show you in here some templates like plant care, progeny, plant metaphor, training plan, planning, and the likes. For example, let's just right here this particular template. Click on this use template. Then after that, this will open in here this new tab wherein this will load the template that we have chosen and we can head over and then edit it to our liking. Now here is the template, so you can proceed to just edit this particular template according to your liking. So just proceed to click on a specific template. Like for example, you can edit this part and just input right here however you want, and then just edit it according to what you want your template to be. We have in here this task as well, so you can head over and then edit it and then just proceed to customize it for your own. So that's how you use templates on Miro. Hope we helped.